Allied Grain Systems are Australia's premier design, engineer, build and install on-farm grain storage systems. Allied tend to look at a customer as someone they're going to keep for life, and we will provide a solution based on what you need. It'll be custom designed. The engineering will be superior to anybody else in the markets. Allied will also provide the system at a pace you need it, so it's expandable. As your needs increase, we can keep adding to your on-farm storage. All Allied structural components are manufactured in-house at our steel manufacturing plant in Young, New South Wales, using only Australian steel. Our international partner, AGI, connects Allied Grain Systems to the world's leading market suppliers. With great American ingenuity and Australian know-how, Allied can supply you with a high-tech, efficient, economic solution for all your grain handling needs. A typical Allied customer is someone who is a forward-thinking farmer. They want control over their destiny, where their grain is going, and where it's going to be marketed. If you are considering investing in grain storage or portable conveyors, give us a call and see what we can do for you.